Common law marriage is established when a couple lives together for a significant period and presents themselves as married, but doesn't actually obtain a marriage license or participate in a wedding ceremony. Some states allow common law marriage, but others don't. As illustrated in Carnes versus Sheldon, when states abolish common law marriage, parties often have little to no legal recourse after the relationship's demise. Bonnie Carnes and Charles Sheldon lived together for several years, but never legally married. A few years into the relationship, they moved into a new home that Sheldon purchased and put the title in his name only. Carnes didn't make any house payments or share a bank account with Sheldon, but she did help pay for utilities and food. Sheldon sometimes bought things for Carnes, but told her she would have to pay him back. Eventually, the couple broke up, and Carnes sued Sheldon, seeking equitable division of property acquired during their relationship. At trial, Carnes testified that Sheldon had always promised to marry her once she divorced her husband, but after the divorce was finalized, Sheldon refused to get married. Carnes admitted that she and Sheldon never agreed to divide property if they split up, but she argued that she was entitled to relief, either because Sheldon's promise to marry her constituted an express agreement to share property, or because they had an implied agreement based on their relationship. Sheldon testified that he never agreed to split property, nor promised to marry Carnes. Finding Sheldon more credible, the trial court held that Carnes failed to prove an express agreement to divide property and declined to recognize an implied agreement on public policy grounds. Carnes appealed to the Michigan Court of Appeals.